What if I told you the next generation 2027 Honda CR-V Hybrid might be the smartest SUV Honda has ever built, and it could make luxury crossovers costing $10,000 or even $20,000 more feel completely overpriced? Honda's best-selling SUV is back, and this time, it's not just about practicality. It's about efficiency, premium comfort, advanced technology, and a driving experience that feels surprisingly upscale. So, has Honda finally built the perfect hybrid family SUV? Today, we're taking a full look at the all-new 2027 Honda CR-V Hybrid, from its bold new design and upgraded cabin to its improved hybrid powertrain and pricing. And trust me, you'll want to stick around because this SUV could completely change what buyers expect in this segment. Let's dive in. The Honda CR-V has been one of America's favorite compact SUVs for decades, and for good reason. It's practical, dependable, efficient, and consistently one of the easiest recommendations in its class. But competition is getting tougher. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid keeps dominating sales. The Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is bringing premium design. The Mazda CX-5 Hybrid is targeting drivers who want more excitement. And even luxury brands are starting to push down into this space. Honda knows it can't rely on reputation alone. That's why the 2027 CR-V Hybrid appears to be a major evolution, refining everything buyers already love while adding more technology, better efficiency, and a more premium personality. Could this be the compact SUV that does everything right? Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, the 2027 Honda CR-V Hybrid looks instantly familiar, but look closer and you'll notice how much sharper and more refined it has become. Front fascia. The front end feels more confident and upscale. Honda appears to have redesigned the grille with a wider, cleaner pattern that gives the CR-V a stronger road presence. The front bumper is more sculpted, with deeper air intakes and smoother aerodynamic detailing that not only looks sporty, but likely helps improve fuel efficiency too. Headlights. One of the standout updates? The headlights. Slimmer, sharper full LED headlamps now stretch further into the fenders, giving the CR-V a more modern and almost luxury-inspired appearance. At night, expect a crisp light signature that instantly makes this SUV recognizable. Grille and Honda Identity Honda seems to be moving toward a more premium design language, and the CR-V benefits from it. The grille feels cleaner, less busy, and more sophisticated, closer to something you'd expect from a Cura. And honestly, that's a very good thing. Wheel design, expect redesigned alloy wheels, likely ranging from 18 to 20 inches depending on trim. The hybrid trims may feature aerodynamic wheel designs that balance style and efficiency. Side profile. The CR-V's side profile remains elegant and practical. Long roof lines, subtle character lines, and improved proportions help it feel more planted and upscale. It's still unmistakably a CR-V, but now it feels more premium than ever. Rear design around back, updated LED taillights, and a cleaner tailgate design create a modern finish. A revised rear bumper and hidden aerodynamic enhancements likely improve airflow and efficiency. Color options. Honda is expected to introduce fresh paint choices, possibly including Platinum White Pearl Crystal, Black Pearl Urban Gray Metallic Canyon, River, Blue Radiant, Red Metallic new exclusive hybrid finishes. Which color would you choose? Let me know in the comments. Step inside the 2027 CR-V Hybrid, and this might be where the biggest transformation happens. Honda has been steadily improving interior quality, and this new CR-V could push things to another level. Cabin design, expect a clean, horizontal dashboard layout with modern minimalist styling. Everything looks intentional. Everything feels driver-focused. It's practical, but polished. Materials and comfort soft touch materials, upgraded trim accents, available leather seating, and improved sound insulation could make this cabin feel surprisingly luxurious. Honda knows family buyers spend hours inside their vehicles. Comfort matters. Expect heated and ventilated front seats. Available heated rear seats. Power adjustable memory seating. Panoramic sunroof, ambient interior lighting, digital displays. A larger digital gauge cluster is likely, paired with an upgraded infotainment display, possibly 12.3 inches or larger. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto should come standard, along with over-the-air software updates. And yes, faster response times, finally. Infotainment system. Honda's newer infotainment systems have become much more user-friendly, and the 2027 CR-V Hybrid should continue that trend. Expect Google built-in integration voice assistant support. wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, premium Bose audio system, cargo space, and practicality. One of the CR-V's strongest advantages remains interior space. Expect generous rear legroom, flexible folding seats, and one of the largest cargo areas in the segment. Whether you're hauling groceries, road trip luggage, or sports gear, this SUV is built for real life. Safety and driver assistance. Honda Sensing should return with updated features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, traffic jam assist, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree camera system technology that actually makes driving easier, not more complicated. Now let's talk about what really matters. How does it drive? The 2027 Honda CR-V Hybrid is expected to feature an improved version of Honda's proven 2.0-liter four-cylinder hybrid powertrain. Expected output, around 210 to 225 horsepower improved torque delivery. Smoother electric to gas transitions that may not sound like sports car power, but in everyday driving, torque matters more, and hybrids deliver instant torque. That means faster launches from stoplights, better city responsiveness, smooth passing power, quiet low-speed electric cruising. Fuel economy efficiency is where this SUV could dominate. Expect fuel economy around 42 miles per gallon city, 37 miles per gallon highway, possibly even better depending on trim. For many families, that means fewer gas station stops and serious long-term savings. Ride comfort and handling. Honda usually balances comfort and confidence exceptionally well. The 2027 CR-V Hybrid should offer smoother suspension tuning, reduced cabin noise, better steering feedback, improved all-wheel drive traction. It's not trying to be sporty, it's trying to make every drive easier. And honestly, that's exactly what most buyers want. So how much will it cost? Honda hasn't confirmed pricing yet, but estimates suggest base hybrid around $36,000. Mid trims $39,000 to $42,000. Fully loaded. Touring hybrid around $45,000. That puts it directly against Toyota RAV4, hybrid Hyundai Tucson hybrid, Kia Sportage, hybrid Mazda CX-5 hybrid, Ford Escape hybrid. Would you choose this over the Toyota RAV4 hybrid, or maybe even spend a little more for a Lexus alternative? Let me know in the comments. The 2027 Honda CR-V hybrid doesn't need to reinvent the wheel, it just needs to improve what already works. And from everything we've seen so far, Honda may have done exactly that. Better design, better technology, better efficiency, more comfort, more value. For families, commuters, and anyone looking for a smart long-term SUV investment, this might be one of the most compelling vehicles coming next year. So, would you buy the new 2027 Honda CR-V Hybrid? Drop your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest car reviews, first looks, and automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.